I'll never forget the case that taught me, if you can't beat 'em, join 'em. It was a cloudy day and I was in my office doing very important work. Then the phone rang. I thought it was probably my mom.
Mom, is that you again? I told you I'm not gonna hang my baby picture on the wall. I'm a serious detective.
It was R.M. Palmer, the famous chocolatier. They were calling because a spy from a rival candy company was trying to steal a secret recipe. I needed to get there as soon as possible, so I just rolled with it.
But why R.M. Palmer? What was it about this place that's so great that they would try to steal the recipe? After searching for clues, I started interviewing employees.
Well, R.M. Palmer Company is unique because we make candy fun. Not only is the product that we produce fun, but also the people, when they're making it, are having fun. That's our secret.
What we do here is we import liquid chocolates, whether it's milk chocolate or coatings we make, and we essentially turn it from a liquid state into a solid state. So we cool it down, crystallize it, demold it, package it, and then from there we ship it out.
I think when we get moved around, that keeps us interested in what we're doing. So if you get to do something different from day to day, that's a plus.
You get to move around a lot. You also get to help a lot of people. If things are falling behind, you need to go to that place and pick up. So you get to jump around a lot, which keeps the day moving and fun.
My favorite part of the job is just working with different people and just being able to use my experience to help people to do their jobs and to learn new things.
They support the community, which is very important. I respect all of the employees just because they come to work every day and they give their all, and that's very important to me.
Please don't arrest me. Sure, I came to steal the secret candy recipe, but I realized if you can't beat them, join them. I want to work here. This place makes candy fun.
Congratulations and welcome to the R.M. Palmer Company.
So the spy ended up getting hired. In the end, things turned out pretty sweet.